Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for product launches. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, to leverage Amazon FBA for a successful product launch, start by preparing your inventory and listing effectively. First, ensure your product is well positioned in Amazon's system by setting up your listing with clear, compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Once your listing is ready, create a Fulfillment by Amazon FBA shipment plan. This involves sending your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, which ensures that your items are available for immediate shipping once customers place orders. Make sure your inventory is well stocked and meets Amazon's guidelines to avoid any delays. During your launch, take advantage of Amazon's promotional tools. Use sponsored products ads to drive initial traffic to your listing. Consider running a discount or coupon to attract early buyers and generate reviews. Positive reviews are crucial for building credibility and improving your product's visibility on Amazon. Monitor your launch closely by tracking key metrics such as sales performance and customer feedback through Seller Central. Use this data to make adjustments to your strategy as needed. For example, if you notice that your ads are performing well, you might increase your budget to capitalize on the momentum. In summary, using Amazon FBA for your product launch can streamline the process and help you reach a broad audience quickly. With effective preparation and strategic use of Amazon's tools, you can set your product up for success. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.